Wagwan. So Beenie Man is over you guys teasing him about his appearance, which is his belly on the versus battle. So he went and visit Patrice, and here they go.
What? 8, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Boom. Yeah, ready? Let's go.
Don't stop me again now.
Just make sure you duck when I say 4. Yeah, don't trust me?
I will.
Alright, big up it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. Connect. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. Good. Connect. 7. Hey. Connect. Ready. Let's go. 8. Good. 9. Good. 10. Good. To the gate and come back. Faster than that. It's not blowing. Good. Yes, that's it. 2. That's it. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. 6. 7. Yes. 8. Good. 9. Good. 10. Good. 1. 2. 3. Good. Breathe. 4. 5. Good. 6. Good. 7. Good. 8. Good. 9. Good. 10. Good. 10 more.
10?
Yeah, we have 10 more.
Jesus.
What Jesus have to do with this? You are the king, and me are the boss of my time now. Come back.
Praise the Lord.
Moses, come back. 10 more. Moses,
Never sleep last night. Ever see me?
ready?
1,
2,
2.
3, 4. Let's do this.
My hands is dead.
Your hands is dead? Let's go. Dead people don't talk. And I don't believe in ghosts.
Okay.
10 more. You have this, baby. You have this. Trust me. Ready? And try and give me more duck in terms of squat like this versus back movement. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Let's go, baby. You have this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5. Duck. 6. Yes. 7. Good. That was good. You see? You have to trust me. Man, have a connect. 8. Good. 9. Last one. 5. Catch and go back down, Moses. No, keep your foot on the ground. Keep your foot on the ground. Ready? Let's go. You're there on my Instagram. Where if you're cause Moses, you're going to do burpees. You're going to do burpees for that.
Burpees.
Ready? Let's go.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus, now have nothing to do with it. Is the wine there. Remember you tell me say you can't drink 1 glass of wine?
Right.
Get up. Let's go.
Give me a second.
Catch your breath, please.
That's that. But there are plans for this, but it hasn't happened. People listen to me. It's my first day with Pat. She's a killer. So I'm going to prepare to be killed. I never prepared to be killed today, but alright. So it's not she got like she bad.
You should into one like my bad. Ready?
Sure, I'm not really big.
12 more. 1. Go down. Catch. Control. 2. Control. That's it. 3. Control. Leave your foot on the ground, Moses. We have better balance. Ready?
So,
yeah, man. Ready? 4. That's it. Go down.
Watch it go down.
5. Oh, sorry. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Crystal, I got myself in that trouble. 6 that.
No, you said with the 5 more.
No, I'm going to say 12 where I go.
I thought you were going. Oh, sorry.
Alright. 1. 6 more. Let's go. Come back up. 2. Come back up. 3. Come back up. 4. Come back up. 5. Control. What I have to do with this last one? Ready? Lie down. Last one. Keep your foot on the ground. 6. Good. What that do?
Everything in my body.
You want to be that guy?
No.
Moses, do you want to be that guy?
Never want to be that guy.
Okay, so we're back to the ball slams.
That guy's a dead man.
Exactly. Get up. We're back to the ball slams. So we're not going to be that guy. You make when police stop me on road now and I'm going to say, you want to be that guy? Okay.